Let's make a key for 2018 Subaru Outback. First, get your tunes right. So pick Outback 2018 Smart Key, keyless system, remote learning, and it's all keys lost, so we have to just reset the smart box. Then we wait. Reset successful. Now we're gonna add a key. Gotta hold the key up to the start button here. Now they're registered, I gotta start the car or turn the ignition on with the key. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on with a learned key again. Learning success. Moment of truth. That's how you make a key for 2018 Outback.